temp NTM hot water temperature.
Hello, Mr. Cole. Yeah. Nice to meet you here in your house. Yeah. And we are going to do some interview with you. And as you see, our art tour is here right now. And also after some carpet cleaning work about the robot. So what do you feel about it?
I like it. I'm impressed. It's nice to see something on Kickstarter kind of come to life. Definitely is in its early stages, has its quirks, but I'm very impressed with what it can do so far. It's definitely more powerful than I thought. Suction power, it's louder than I thought, which is a good thing. You can tell it's really working. You can see the water being extracted like you would an upright carpet cleaner. I'm very impressed so far. I think, like I said, once the quirks are figured out, once navigation's kind of better in place, I think it'll be hopefully pretty successful.
Oh, thanks. And also, how about the design? What do you feel about design, the industrial design?
It's way bigger than I expected. That's a good thing. I think that's a lot of little smaller Roombas and stuff.
Yeah, and how about design language?
It looks good. It's
looks
classy,
good.
It's modern. It's not too obtrusive. It's definitely big, but it has to be big because there's water and
Yeah.
going on.
You got it.
Yeah, I think it looks great. I like the black better than the white. I think the lights are cool.
Whoa.
So.
Oh, one more fans about our industrial design. Yeah. And this is, and this is another module. Yeah. And we've shown it to you now today, right? Yeah, so it is, what do you feel about this?
Yeah, I think there's only one thing that's kind of a big deal. Well, first of all, obviously more suction power. All of the robot vacuums are weak. They're not good. They don't clean carpets very well, no matter how many they advertise. I would like to see that on carpet. I'm sure it does an amazing job. But the side brush, and just because the robot is so tall, it's not gonna be able to get under kitchen counters. That's a big issue with even some of the other robots, they can't do it. I think having like a side brush that flicks out or something, that would be really, really cool.
Okay.
Other than that though, I'm assuming it's just as good as any other robot vacuum, so.
Okay.
I like it.
Robot in, tours out.